Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video over here, and hope you all are doing well. And in this video we'll go and see how to configure Xampp web server in Kali Linux, and also as a previous video we'll go and see how to install and configure Zeus in a Xampp server in a localhost. And so let's just go and start. So before we start, we need to download a Xampp web server. I have already downloaded is Xampp for Linux, and you can download it from here. And you can choose a version, PHP version with 5.4. and as I have already downloaded here, so let me just change my directory to desktop, so you can see my Xampp run. So what I need to do is I need to change the permission. Okay, so let me run it. So it's going to start a launcher setup. So just click next, and you can note down this installation directory is opt lamp. Next, so just click next. So your installation will continue. And with the bitnami, what you can install is all the CMS like Joomla or WordPress, Drupal. So all these things you can install on a Xampp server using this bitnami. So let's just go back to our setup, and it looks like it's hang over here. So you can see installation process. So till the installation is finished, let me just pause my video. So we are back here and our installation has finished. So just launch our Xampp server. Okay, so let's just choose your language. I may choose English. So installation is running perfectly. The foremost thing you have to do is the security setting, and you can see much of the thing is showing is unsecure or unknown. So what we'll do is we'll change to fix the close this matter. You will have to change some security setting. So after you change your root directory password, and also for phpMyAdmin and also FTP, you can, after you go to localhost, it will ask you for username and password. So the default username is Xampp, and password is that you created one, and just click OK and go to security. So you can see all of your directory is secure with a password. And the second thing what we need to change is check is localhost with the phpMyAdmin, and if you click root is your root user and also a password that you created, just click OK. So you can see you have all of your database over here. So if you don't want some of the database, you can just drop it. Okay, so let me create one new database for my Zeus. So would be so my database is over here, and if you check the privilege, and you can see all of the privilege that you have, and you can also add in a new user. So I have already created a database is bot_net. So another thing what we need to do is you need to go to your OPT LAMP and ST docs where all of your web server file will be stored. The default directory is Xampp, and I have also created one directory for boot, so where all my Zeus server file will be stored. So if I go to my, and I have my Zeus final over here, server.php, and let me just bring it over here. And if you see over here, all of the install directory is over here. So what we need to do is we need to run one command to make give the permission to all this folder, so there may not be error. And if you go to folder is boot, and so it's giving you a control panel option, login option, MySQL database. So let's just create login to localhost and the password and the root password that you just mentioned in your database is bot_net, and the encryption key I have already made over here. And just install it. It may take a few seconds or a few minutes. So here you can see all of your configuration file and all of installation is complete. And if you go to over your database on the bootnet, you can see all the table listed over here. And now the second thing what we need to do is we need to go to our control panel, cp.php, if you go to over here boot, and here is your cp.php, which will be our control panel. So it's asking for a username, just created admin, and the password that you just created, submit. So you can log into your control panel, all of your boot script and all of the information that you have, summary if you have any boot that you have running. So that's how you just configure and install a Xampp server and also configure a database and all of the setting for your Zeus boot. So in the next video we'll go and see how to make a server file and make it to the client and spread it to the client and have a connection to our server. So that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and if you're interested on any of our courses, just have a look on our online website. Thanks for watching.